skull, chapter 7, parts of the skull. This is my list. The items that need to be identified with no notes. My closed book, and no notes in front of me. Okay. Frontal bone, parietal bone, temporal bone, occipital bone, coronal suture, sagittal suture, squamous suture, lamboid suture, nasal bone, maxilla bone, mandible bone, mental foramen, mandibular ramus, mandibular notch, mandibular condyle, coronid process of the mandible, zygomatic bone, sphenoid bone in the lateral view, ethmoid bone, corner, lacrimal bone, very small part, nasolacrimal bone right above, supraorbital foramen, infraorbital foramen, superior orbital fissure, inferior orbital fissure, volamar bone, perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone. Middle conch and inferior conch are unable to be viewed from this angle. I'd have to take this out and I can't show it, but it's obviously behind the ear in there. Same thing with internal auditory meatus cannot be viewed. It's under this and I don't know how to get to it. External auditory meatus, greater wing of the sphenoid bone, lesser wing of the sphenoid bone, optical canal, foramen oval or foramen ovale, however you say that, foramen lacerum above, foramen spinosa below, foramen rotundum, foramen magnum, crystal galley, cribform plate right next to it, jugular foramen, palatine bone right here, incisive fossa is behind this, on the top of the, closer to the teeth, greater palatine foramen, mastoid process, styloid process, stylomastoid foramen, stella tertia is behind here. You'd have to move the parietal bone, but I looked it up and made sure I knew where it was. Carotid canal, carotid canal, and the glabella right there. Okay.